Hi, Education team. In order to keep myself organized and make sure you're getting accurate grades for during this remote learning, I need everything turned in via Schoology. So what do I mean by that? So some of you will notice that today's assignment is a Google Doc. And it's the Google Doc, and it is right here, April 8th, review of evolution in Darwin. So when you click on the knowledge check number 1, Darwin and Galapagos Islands, you want to click on the My Document, and you want to edit this document, okay? So let's say you already did this document already. Great. Go find it on your Google Drive, copy it, paste it right into here, paste it right in there. Do not hit the share button with me. Like, I know Phoebe already did this. So all she has to do is go to her Google Drive, paste it in here. Do not hit the share button. Go back to Schoology and hit the submit button. This submit button is what you need to hit to turn it in, and then I will see that you have turned it in. Let me show you right now who has turned these in. So far, in all of the classes, this is who has turned these in. Submissions. All right, so I have from Ryan Balaban, Caden, Omnia, Ani, Evan. You can see Vincent, Zach, Colin. Okay, that's my first class. Second class. If your name's not here, I do not have it as turned in. Okay, that's my second class, the bacteria class. Chromosome class. Here's who I have it from. Again, if your name is not there. Like Anastasia, she had done it earlier, and she contacted me how to do it. It is an extra step to copy and paste it, but again, I need to make sure my records are completely accurate. Thank you, Jacob. I know you did it before, and Dan, I know you did it before and copied and pasted it. Appreciate that. And then my last period class, I only have it from Andrew Cuny. All right, so make sure that is the way you are turning things in from now on, always through Schoology. Do not ever share it with me because it is just too confusing to keep all my records organized. All right, thanks guys. Come see me in Zoom if you don't know how to do it. The cool thing about Zoom is I can actually take over your screen and I can help you out and I can work it through for you. If you're not quite sure how to do things, Zoom's amazing. So if you don't know what you're doing, always come see me on the Zoom from 1 to 2. All right, bye.